Know what to expect on the Foundations of Reading 190 test and greatly improve your confidence and ability on this exam. This video is brought to you by foundationsofreading.com, the best source to help you pass the Foundations of Reading test. By the end of this video, you will know the answers to the most frequently asked questions about the Foundations of Reading test. Make passing the Foundations of Reading test a breeze. Click the link in the description to enroll in the course and receive instant access to the study guide. The Foundations of Reading test, also known as the FORT test, is an exam that measures a person's understanding of students' reading and writing development in a school setting. The test uses science-based standards and evidence that is aligned with the Common Core state standards. What is the difference between the Foundations of Reading 90 test and the Foundations of Reading 190 test? Well, the Foundations of Reading 190 test is the updated version of the test. The difference between the 90 and the 190 Foundations of Reading test is the addition of the science of reading components, which the 190 test includes. If you haven't already, go ahead and join our free Foundations of Reading test study group on Facebook. We receive a lot of questions, and one of the main questions is, how long does it take to get my Foundations of Reading scores? Individual states' exam results depend on the test cycle that you completed your Foundations of Reading exam in, but all states will send the results within 5 weeks. The Foundations of Reading test is scored against an established standard based on the minimum passing score that each participating state decides. For the multiple choice section, the total test score is based on the number of raw score points earned on each section. For the open response question, your response is based upon the characteristics of your response. Test scorers are looking to check that you demonstrate a thorough understanding and knowledge of the Foundations of Reading content specifications. We will take a close look at the rubric used to score your essay questions in the essay section of this course. What states require the Foundations of Reading test? Well, you can have a look at the map. The following states require the Foundations of Reading test: Arkansas, Mississippi, New Hampshire, North Carolina, Wisconsin, Massachusetts, and Ohio. Can you retake the Foundations of Reading test? The answer is yes, you can retake the Foundations of Reading test, but you must wait 30 days since your last try. Use the following list to help you pass the Foundations of Reading test. So a lot of people just simply ask, how do I pass the Foundations of Reading test? The answer is that you have to know the content specifications, create a study plan, watch our Foundations of Reading online course, read our Foundations of Reading study guide, and take our free Foundations of Reading practice test. How many questions are on the Foundations of Reading exam? The Foundations of Reading exam has 100 multiple choice questions and 2 selected response questions. What do I need to know for the Foundations of Reading test? 4 topics include the following: word structure and vocabulary, phonemic and phonological awareness, phonics, structural analysis, early reading practice, word parts, and reading comprehension.